Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped and turned inside out, and I'd like to take a moment, come along with me as I tell you about this guy who just moved to YEG. In Toronto, Ontario, born and raised, I went to York University and got my BA. 2 years later, I grabbed my BEd and I was off to be a teacher with the TDSB. Yo, I love to groove and dance, and music sets me free. Doing crosswords and sudokus can put my mind at ease. I like to question and reflect and be out amongst the trees. Hiking, running, reading yoga also means so much to me. Fast forward 11 years, it's now 2019, and I'm working on my master's at the House of Golden Green. I'm with Ever After Schools, working provincially, collaborating and advocating. Health is our priority. So this is the end, and what else can I say? Set them ready to learn how curriculum is made. I want to know about the why, followed up by the how, to help us learn from the past and make the most of here and now.